little fox.
Fun at Kids Central. Pressed flower cards. Today was the last day of school before Thanksgiving vacation, and Nina was already feeling thankful. Her teacher hadn't given the class any homework. At Kids Central, Izzy was wearing an Indian headdress. She made it in art class.
I am thankful the Indians taught us how to eat corn. I love corn.
She bounced around.
Ooh, and I'm thankful for pretty flowers.
Miss Shelley was carrying 2 large vases filled with flowers.
Are those for our activity?
Nina asked, hoping they were. Miss Shelley nodded.
The end of autumn means the end of fresh flowers. We're going to press these flowers and let them dry. In a few weeks, they'll be ready to use.
How will we use them?
Nina asked.
You can use them to make cards.
Miss Shelley said.
Today, I brought some flowers that I pressed last month. After we press flowers, we'll make thank you cards.
Thanksgiving thank you cards? Bobby asked.
Yes.
Miss Shelley answered.
While we're working, think of someone you'd like to thank. Right now, choose 4 flowers you'd like to press.
Nina leaned over the orange, yellow, and red flowers. Everyone else quickly grabbed theirs. But the flowers were all so pretty. It was hard to choose.
Nina, are you ready?
Miss Shelley was waiting. Nina closed her eyes and pulled out 4 flowers. Then Miss Shelley started showing them how to press flowers.
Take 1 piece of paper and fold it in half. Open it back up and arrange your flowers on the inside. Make sure the flowers don't touch each other. Then fold it shut again.
Cute! It's like a little flower book.
Nina said.
Now take one of these giant dictionaries.
Miss Shelley held up a fat dictionary.
The dictionary will press our flowers for us. Turn to the very last page of the dictionary. We're going to put your little flower book in between the last page and the back cover. In a few weeks, you'll have beautiful pressed flowers,
Miss Shelley said. Nina followed Miss Shelley's directions exactly. Nina hoped her flowers would come out pretty.
Did you decide who you'd like to thank?
Miss Shelley asked. She opened a red tin box. She lifted out stacks of cardboard. Nina saw sheets of pressed flowers between the cardboard. Miss Shelley gave them blank cards.
Once you've written your card, brush glue on the front. Then choose some pressed flowers to gently place on top. In a few weeks, the flowers you pressed today will be dry. Then you can make cards like these at home.
Nina looked at Miss Shelley.
Who is your thank you card for?
Miss Shelley paused.
My mother,
She said.
what about you?
Nina smiled shyly.
It's a secret.
She said.
Time to go. Nina, don't forget your card.
Miss Shelley called.
I made it for you.
Nina told her teacher.
Bye.
Miss Shelley opened the card. It said,
Dear Miss Shelley, thank you for 238 days of fun at Kids Central. Happy Thanksgiving. Love, Nina.
Fun at Kids Central. Thankful pumpkin pies.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is cranberry sauce.
Izzy said. It was the day before Thanksgiving vacation. Everyone was excited about the holiday.
I like sweet potatoes.
Ethan said.
Where's Bobby?
Miss Shelley asked. Ethan shrugged.
His mom picked him up early today. I think he had a doctor's appointment.
Oh,
Miss Shelley said.
I didn't get to wish him a happy Thanksgiving.
Did someone say Thanksgiving? Bobby hurried into the gym. He was carrying a plastic container and a basketball.
Ethan said you left school early.
Izzy said. I did, Bobby said. But I didn't want to miss Kids Central today. It's the last one before Thanksgiving vacation. Jason stared at him.
You look different.
Bobby grinned and started dribbling the basketball across the gym. He jumped up. Whoosh! The ball sailed through the hoop. Nina laughed.
I know it's different. Me too.
Izzy said.
You got your cast off, Bobby.
Congratulations!
Miss Shelley said. Thanks! Bobby picked up the plastic container. I made something to thank you guys.
Huh?
Jason said.
What did we do?
You made having a broken leg more fun, Bobby said.
We did?
Izzy asked. Bobby nodded. Missing soccer season was terrible. But you guys helped me and we had fun. He opened the container. See? Thanksgiving cookies. They are shaped like turkeys. But don't worry, they taste like chocolate.
They look delicious.
Miss Shelley said.
They'll go great with our activity today.
What are we making?
Jason asked.
Thankful pumpkin pies.
Miss Shelley said.
Don't you mean Thanksgiving pumpkin pies?
Izzy asked.
Nope.
Miss Shelley had a stack of paper plates, paint, markers, and pots of glitter. The kids gathered around the table.
These pies aren't for eating.
Miss Shelley explained.
They're a fun way to share what you're thankful for.
Oh, I get it.
Nina read from the board.
Step 1. Paint the inside circle of a paper plate orange. That's for the pie filling. Then, paint the outside edge tan for the pie crust.
Step 2. Stick 3 cotton balls to the paint. Bobby laughed. Cool! That will look like whipped cream on top of the pumpkin filling.
Step 3. Sprinkle with glitter to look like spices and sugar.
Ethan said. Everyone painted their plates.
Let's have Bobby's cookies while the paint dries.
Miss Shelley said. Soon, Izzy ran to the pies.
The paint's dry.
Nina looked at the board.
Step 5. Use letter stickers to spell I'm thankful for. And then cut out a slice of pie with scissors. Step 6.
Jason read.
Write 5 things you're thankful for.
Easy.
Ethan said.
I'm thankful for Bobby's cookies.
After everyone wrote their 5 things, Nina read the next step.
Put the painted plate on top of the white plate. Connect them loosely with a brass paper fastener. Now spin!
Izzy said. Everyone spun their plates. I want to show you guys what I'm thankful for, Bobby said. Slowly, he showed his 5 things. Izzy, Nina, Ethan, Jason, and Miss Shelley.
Thank you, Bobby!
His friend said.